Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to do the Python environment setup in our system. So to do that, what we have to do, we have to install the Python. And if we want to create any large application, then we need any different IDE or the text editor. So that also we will see how to install. And apart from that, if we want our project dependency don't affect other project, so for that we can create our own virtual environment as well. So that we will discuss about this also. So first, to install the Python, what we have to do, first let's go to the command prompt. So here I'm going to on command prompt, and here first let's see is Python is installed in my system or not. So the command to check Python installed in my system or not, that is the Python __ version. So if I will hit enter, it will give your Python version. If it is not giving the Python version, it means the that particular Python is not installed in our system. Even you can check Python 3, because currently in the market the version of the Python is basically Python 3. Yeah, there are some minor versions also. So but the basically the Python 3 is the major version which is currently going on. So in some system, if you are not able to find the version of Python with the Python _ version, you can check with the Python 3 as well. So you can see in my system this Python 3 is not installed. So what we have to do, we have to we have to install this Python 3. So for that one, you can find the link in the description section as well, and the link is python.org. From here, what you have to do, you have to click on this download. So what it will do, it will install this in our system. So when it downloaded, just click on that exe and it will ask you to install. Here you can have the customization installation and the normal installation. So I will go with this, but before going that, what we need, I'm going to click on this add python exe to the path. So what will happen, like when I will check on this particular checkbox, it will give the directory path in our environment also. Means extra, we no need to do the manually add this like the path in the environment section. So I'm just going to check this one, and with that, if I will click on install, it will take some time to install that particular library in our system. Once this Python this library will install in our system, then again on the cmd command, what we will see, we are going to see that particular Python version is showing or not. So let's wait for some second to get it complete. Here you can see our setup is installed successfully. Now if I will close this command, I'll go to the cmd prompt. Here again, if I will check this version, still it is saying Python is not found. So the reason is sometime after installing this cmd not able to identify that is installed or not. So just close this and reopen it again. So once I'll reopen, and when I will give the command to check the version, we will see that it is now giving the Python version to us. Means now we are going to run any kind of a logic which we want to write for the Python. We can start with the Python only. So what if we are going to do the small kind of a arithmetic logic, we can do with this cmd command also. So for that one, just write the Python. So when you will write this, it will restart, means it will start that particular command for us. You can see this triple sign with us. So here for an example, if I'm going to check 2 + 3, it will give us 5. Means we are good to work with the Python now. So if you are going to work with the small kind of the arithmetic operation, you can go with this cmd command. Apart from that, we have the Python IDE also, and this Python also. Means any one of them, if you will open, you can check two small arithmetic operations. You can go with this, like 2 + 3. If I will check here also, we are getting this output. If I'm going to print any data, like for an example, hello, so that also we can see, like these kind of the operations we can do with the id Python id command or the cmd command as well. But what will happen, see for an example, if we want to create a large application, and I want to create different classes. I want to give the relation between all the classes. I want to create the API controller, means basically in MVC model. So can we go with this ID? It's basically very difficult to handle such kind of the large application with these ID. So for those purpose, what we need the different editor. So there are so many editors which are available. We can do the Python coding. So some of them are famous are is the Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, we have the Jupyter or the Sublime. So these are the editors which help us to like mm, do the coding for us. And from where you can download. So this is the link like PyCharm Jet. So this PyCharm is given by the JetBrain. You can download it and install in your system and can do the coding there as well. So these are the editors. So how it look like? So when you will see here, I have already in my application means I have added this kind of the classes and everything for testing purpose, like to show you the data. So how it look like this way. In the coming videos, we will see how to add these classes, how to write all this stuff. But here is like we can do such kind of the operation with the PyCharm also. So this is PyCharm. So with that also we can do. So in the going forward to do any operation, majorly we will work with the PyCharm. So we can create our larger application as well. And the next is for an example, if we are going to create a large application and I want my project and the specific library should not affect any other project. So and like it will like uh, like it will solve us or it will resolve all the conflict if we are going to create our own packages for our virtual machine also. So in that case, what we can do, we can set up the virtual environment. So that we will see in the coming videos when we will work on the API and all these things. So currently, like here, what we have done the Python setup, and we have like choose our text editor or ID to do the programming. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.